pass and move. Mama sita tingo shakera mutuze, pass and move, Atina shika tina chinjari mwe groove. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Deb 3 TV. This is Pass and Move special. Today, right here at Luveve Stadium, it's a Chicken Inn Football Club taking on Bulawayo Chiefs. It's the Bulawayo Derby. This episode is proudly brought to you by our number one sponsor, Lucky Pets. Today, we've got goodies to give away. Buto, speten cheke sifuna ukunika abantu namuhla.
Namhlanje kobulawayo kuyayilahla. Akulanto elungileyo. Bulawayo Derby is a revenge made for Chicken Inn. So iChicken Inn ihlathi khona Lucky Pets ihlathi no njenge main sponsor iChicken Inn nanka ama t-shirts to these Chicken Inn fans. So we sithwele ama goodies amahle ama colors wonke njengabona. Njeni kule yellow, kule red, kule home and away, le neutral wonke ama colors akhona namhlanje. So we're going to be giving away to the few Lucky Chicken Inn supporters today ama chicken.
Not any Lucky fan.
This is to the few Lucky fans.
Or not Chicken Inn fans.
Ono bias.
Nafuni ama fans. Just give but anyway, ikeme namhlobona njani?
Ikeme namhlanje ngibona ikeme elite because nje Chicken Inn has now joined iBulawayo Chiefs uba talkative ku social media. So throughout the week they've been talking and breaking uthi khona is Bulawayo Derby Chicken iBulawayo Chiefs city corner is today they're going to eat 2 pizzas so forth and so forth. So that's the match ibantu ukuthi khona who's claiming the city.
Mina ngikhaya igame le namuhla njengoba kuyi derby I see iChicken Inn walking away with the 3 points. Ngingazi preparedness because iChicken Inn iloku surprise but ngendlela ababooste ngayo ilokhuzeni yabo Chirambadara ngendlela engambona ngayo looking sharp mbona ni today iChicken Inn ingathatha 3 points iBulawayo Chiefs ngabona lithi Scotland City isingathatha 3 points bayilandele emuva yanjengisela ukuthi mental strength abakho that good and iChicken Inn amadepa amaningi concede kakhulu especially nxa bedlala le Chiefs so that's why ngibona namhla ngantu abe ngathatha 3 points anyway butho nxa sikhayela aba any few fans eswabona ongabalela nangu Putas
ekiwa buya phela sike sikubona unya ngapi masudu buyela le muva uli supporter wena
ubasudu be kichi bawale support
afakiwa
Putas
yebo
inisha Putas
hayi ngiyaphila
uswe Bula Chicken Inn taking on iBulawayo Chiefs ubona njani igame namuhla
igame le izoba tricky because i-derby so khangani kuzaba nzima sivile
wona support
Chicken Inn
Chicken Inn fan lole la bembona iskipa sibhale iSports 9 alo samkhiphiza ubutho usazibat ule Lucky Pets yazi Lucky Pets
yazi
Lucky Pets yenza ngani kancane ngibuza okuncane noma kuyini
ukhulu kakhulu sponsor Chicken Inn
nabo alo sesimweza
nje umuntu oqala nza ukhethe esifunayo la
alright
ukhethe red for danger
yeah
sikho ngisibonisa kufithe
okay
first winner today ule Chicken Inn very fortunate over Chicken Inn Sports msuka mqoqile usivalele was zara bazimbuza wathi phatha ugezile size nice one Wachina ungasaskiphi usungena nje so Putas sungena nje prediction brand new nje prediction
2-0
khulumela Mike
2-0
baluhlayo
obvious
baluhlayo
majikalo charama
alo Chicken Inn seven Putas congratulations nice one my brother sharp
nasifoni yakho
ikesi wenza khona lapha so abajeze Chicken Inn sondela Putas encewa songabalela uzivulele ijezi lakho le Chicken Inn my brother is Kiban
sweet but
Nand usapotani
Chicken Inn
araba spicy usabuthi ubona njani game namhla khulumela mike khulumela
namhla eze chicken infinity hayi namhla abafana vele abafana ngabethu ubabisele D1 so vele hayi sebabisela
hayi ngabisela abantu D1 sifuna amateam okubulawa emaningi zemani phela kube i-draw at least but on a serious note igame namhla ubona njani
ezinye team ngana sayinile so I'm excited ukuthi ngibone ukuthi
khulumela mike
abafana abatsha abasayinwe basiphathelani
nguphi umkhayelele kakhulu
mina for
Chirambadana angotshelile bengitshela ukuthi uChirambadana ngendlela lami ngambona lokushapa ngicela prediction namuhla
chicken
2-0 umbani uhlahlala
umalume obvious then maybe Chirambadana ngene as a substitute uzokuplay some sports
alright ilaki Bezazi
yes
ule account yake Beza
yes ndayo
uvula njani account yake Beza
account like this, just go if we are using Android, just go to Chrome and search Luckybets, and then you create an keeper, then you create an account. Details.
Lo account ula Luckybets. Lo account ula Luckybets lo.
Mina vela yellow.
Unkosazana bani? Ama sizes lawo. Zona keeper njengoba ungechicken ihlesibona yikho sikwenzayo namhlanje khona ama lucky fans azivunela ama jersey echicken proudly sponsored by iLuckybets yikho khona bese kwenzayo kuhle kakhulu okwenza iLuckybets. This is beautiful. Nice one my brother. Ireplica lihle uyazibonela kule wena osibukele unkhaya kule competition uhamba nje uPeter sekhulumile uhamba ku Chrome uthi luckybets.co.za uzawunika ama instructions uvule ungavula i-account yakho eLuckybets kona bana uzifakele $5 ungafaka $5 udlala i-ticket ubususendela kuma details bazafaka lapha ubususendela kuma details uzabona ukuthi ilokuzeni ijezi uyina nje ngoba lelake la uzunile ijezi yakho eLuckybets. My brother, congratulations my brother. Nice one my brother. Nice one. Sharp my brother. Yiko kona bese kwenza ke sikulandile abantu sebesichekile ukuthi khaya ama jezi la Luckybets asibizela abantu la asijana kwara abantu
bona sike sibiza uTop uhlezi lo uhlala ibuya nsuku zonke nxa singela amajezi simbize nje umuntu ohlala ibuya sizomreward akalandanga amajezi njengaba incenga ngabalenhlala
uTop ulari ijezi vile uTop ijezi Luckybets elechicken ilularo but anyway Top shop
Nishap, skipper.
Mnandi mtala mskipper.
Nice.
Chicken intake mone ibula chiefs ubona njani game namuhla?
Game mnandi namuhla.
Butho umtala umfana yake khulumele mayikini isacha ama viewers engasazi.
Game mnandi namuhla tineka tichifara nasibozi chicken in. Ne blood chiefs hayi.
Sa chicken ino wina ngana.
Nasifuna ku revenge both akamborowa 2-0. Nasifuna ku wina. 2-1.
Saka pa ma goal scorers amuta sidonga gowisa ndwana nani.
Charamba ngangugula ukhanda. Mwacho andizozije ubva kupi go.
Bemutshela ngoCharamba.
Alright, saka munhu wese ngoti Charamba saka pana Chirambadara kauya pa team. What can you say about that?
Chirambadara haya achangotanga saka asati amfom jaizo anongozezoita kana mina kabva ku anongosika chimbonzi gara pa bench
ko yakabva ku lokuzi drop
haya atinya sukuziya apa ku training kuti angaitamba zvakadi but we are hoping kuti anogona kutamba zvakanaka.
Alright, saka manje mwiri wenyu ine mati size zangu I think mshanokukumbira kuti kucheka size chakwana because pana ma smalls uno kumbira kucheka size ngakwana
mana umthala obvious bese mnika vele ngiyakwazi ukuthi supporter le chicken elikhulu mthala ngikubule uvunza Luckybets uneziyo
Luckybets
una account
Basandana account yangu but paika ngota kuiziwa Luckybets parati kunakidza because of Luckybets.
Nezira pala kunyisa mero tume
ndo kwando izira
but vula account ilapha Chrome ungonyora ukuthi luckybase.co.zw1 kana ukuthi any browser unoshandisa mfoni makho ungothi luckybase.co.zw ovula account ino-pages abhora ino-pages azinzwa kwawanda iwe uri munhu mukuru over 18 and better sponsor kuti muna page responsible and so like ndozo luckybase ino-sponsor futhi chicken why wazunira t-shirt yako mdara replica lako le chicken tsoka size kuna masutu ma t-shirt ari pakawanda tsoka size kuna masutu
akula muntu oyinkazana then ocina then abanye sizabona after game oyinkazana ocina
akula mama oseduze
mama tukhuluma la senga umama tukhuluma la umuntu ongumama oyi1 sesifuna into sesinika kakhulu i-gender balance ukwakhuluma lo muntu ongumama senga
hayi ikesiwenza kodwa sizulisela amajezi like butho ngco prediction sisibona ukuthi singayenza njani after Boro ngendlela ebona ngayo game namuhla.
Yeah, i-Chicken Inn so far has been playing nice and 3 games in a row winning, expecting to make it 4, so I believe today they can win another match. So score prediction maybe 2-0.
Asibone after Boro ukuthi prediction yakhe yabe correct yini.
All right. Sharp.
Akachauchera charamba yeikwanisa parangani uyochaya
Right, congratulations Mkoma Clive. It's a derby match. You won and you won the man of the match. Urunzi was saying
ndikunza kufara singaite because he said derby so zvinhu zvakawanda zvine zvakatarisirwa but tisingade kutorawo zvakawanda kubva kune team yashanda but isusu tazooneka kuti tingopawo more effort than iwo chete.
Saka nepa position pamuri going forward 3 points dzinorava chi pamuri as a team.
Dzanga dzakatikoshera singaite because tiri kumove away kune gap revanhu vari pasi apa so tamove awo kuenda pamusoro zviri nani at least.
Saka mari makunoidi
imari chekutanga ndichatanga ndatengera matimates angu zvaari kuda then imwe ndozoona zvandoita
ininiwo
imimi hamo yatobatana pa.
Congratulations. Sharp. Lucky Betsy is a humble representing man of the match, humble the player Chicken Inn is a winner 2-0 and everything it went the other way around. So Ibora is not predictable like to type of emergency.
But ilokuzeni Chicken Inn ngabe yahleke nga.
Chicken Inn.
Wo put us.
Chicken Inn lapha elahleke khona. Chicken Inn ilahleke ekutheni khona they were more defensive. And they didn't play a game njengokuthi play Chiefs kwini play Chiefs kwilambile so ithe ilambile atshengisa ukulamba kwayo then at the end of the day yasebenza
abantu bengalamba ukuthi bazidlela inkukhu soft but yasiyami ndebi uribo ayo watofika zokana kwatofika ze Chicken urathiza ukuthi uri support ye Chicken Inn yakawoma wabona se game
game yanga iribowa ndibowa songoti furniture so but we playing good game mazotipanicha zvawo tatadza kuti vane mashandisi but tazotadza convert.
Sorry Mkoma wako but nesmartness yako wakapfeka ka iwe mvudza tikubvunzi iwona mubayiro wauti we Lucky Base wakachena ita thank you like une account.
Yeah, I do.
Nice one kana une account but takupira kuti wakachena wakaonesa kuti true support ye Chicken Inn. Nice one my brother.
Thanks so much.
Nice one. Butojote sakhuluma put us uzwakala put us yami ngena phakathi kule umele siniku Saro. My brother.
Yes but
keep on
kula lotto prime
Chicken Inn 1 Ebulawayo Chiefs 2 ibone njani game?
Hayi igame yoni Chiefs bitshengisa ukuthi yaletha konke ku Chicken Inn but kuhle kwatshengisa ukuthi uNdiraya hayi coaching yakhe hayi
usola ngapi coaching kaNdiraya
uNdiraya ngakwazi ukuthi ushintsha nini ngakwazi ukwenza i-tactical change if team yadliwa ukhipha umuntu odlalayo ufakana noThina Matare osediniwe ovele semdala ongekatshintshi igame kulo lino thiku ebenchini
but otherwise sesivala iChicken Inn sisiyaphambili ubona uNdiraya engaimprove njengoba umsola kangaka
uNdiraya I think i-quality yama-player ulayo but i-Chicken Inn ayingamgcini kakhulu ayizihambele ayimiyekela azihambele uNdiraya. Ama-players balawo sibili angatshintshi igame babe ku-top 8 but ucoach ayakula ucoach akula.
Siswa Mushapu, unfortunately i-Chicken Inn yasidliwa namhlanje. But when at least namuhla uhambe ugqoka iskip bese kungayenza ukuthi utshintshele phambi kwecamera. Siyabonga my sister, bongela kibhezi uthi siyabonga ule account. So uvula ifoni yakho ungene ku Google Chrome uthi luckybase.co.za xa usukuzibhejela ngeluckybase. Ufike utshele lo mdala la eze. Sharp siswa ke. Sharp. Ezinkulu
zebhoso. Alright but wami.
Sharp my brothers give us.
Ngishapho kakhulu.
Chicken Inn 1 Bulawayo Chiefs 2 ibone njani?
Ya i-Chicken Inn kahle vele yama players lawo kodwa uNdiraya angazi ukuthi ukehlula nabantu. Kodwa iBulawayo Chiefs ayazidlalela ibhola la eclean.
Abantu lokho besola uNdiraya wena ngendlela ubone uyehluleke ngawo uNdiraya.
uNdiraya vele from ekuqaliseni uyehlule coach Chicken Inn ngoba asoze ufike uxotsha ama players ayi15 ubuye la kama players bengajayelananga ama players lana yena wawumele vale lapho kulezikhala khona kuphela.
Ukhulumile namuhla kodwa sikhuluma sesikhathi game namuhla kuyabe kuyalenga.
La bona bayekusabhuleni kwakhe labana usabhulu umajika wafaka ukhawu uthiwa ngikhawu urastalana lwana uyamatcha ground uyabelanda ukuzomatcha kadlandi ibhora lwana ulanda ukuzomatcha lwa. So ka vela iphela iwina athi ngayifuni ngaba umuntu ozomatcha ground.
Uthi let's keep up extra dikuputha sebulile. Uputha zekanjani Putas mana ngukhayele liskipper lapha empraying ukuthi sidash ngendlela oanalyze ngayo ufuna uchinje isudu lapha hayi stop njani
ngiyasentshintshe wena ngiyasentshintshe
uchinje isumu manje ungweboss ufuna uchinje uhlutsha eselokuzeni eseChicken Inn
akula problem manje yakhipha ibhaji
khipha ibhaji nguwezi khipha ibhaji awukhipha ibhaji yawo khipha ibhaji yawo wezi khipha ibhaji yawo wezi. But mfunu lokhuzi ungene ku Chrome nxa ule Android ungene ku Chrome uthi luckybase.co.za uvule iaccount ujoin uqala ukubheja luckybase kunjani khona nxa unjani.
Hayi ku right kakhulu vele ukubheja ngokwami ukubheja ngokwami
so bet responsible uvule iaccount luckybase uqala ukubheja luckybase unjeje lo ngimnikela ukuthi uvume ukukhipha isudu edurayo wagqoka iluckybase nansiya khoxo nice one my brother hamba uhle uthaya isuthi usubamba isuthi yakho.
Hayi ngiyabonga babhuti bami kakhulu ngibonga iluckybase.
Thank you so much. Nice one my brother. There you have it guys. Kubuhlungu butho kuwe nje supporter le Chicken Inn bro wami.
Yeah, as a Chicken Inn fan of course kubuhlungu but njengomhlalo kobulawayo it's not that painful because yakukwazi kona it shows ukuthi there is a guarantee ukuthi next season we are going to maintain the 3 teams in Bulawayo. But for the breaking rights of course it pains, but for the love of the game, for being a sportsmanship, I say congratulations to Bulawayo Chiefs because we want them next season so that we can continue that nakula amateam aphonyethwayo sibe lama games amaningi khayele eHarare every weekend there is a match day but kobulawayo siya limited
sile one namuhla one yahamba zingadlala zoyi2 njenganamuhla
yabona. So it's something which is means it's the weekend, it's the day to spare on a Saturday, but every Saturday maybe even Friday ngasokusenza semanini. That's my prayers.
Semelele manje sho ngathi usavereza uzathi. But anyway, there you have it, guys. It finished there at Luveve Stadium. Chicken Inn 1, Bulawayo Chiefs 2. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Continue to support us. And this episode was proudly brought to you by luckybase, our #1 sponsor. Thank you so much.
Pass and move. Mama sita tingo shakera mutuze. Pass and move.